Most passive income gurus are lying to you. They make it look like you just press a button and money rains down while you sleep. But here is the cold, hard truth. Most passive income is actually just a low-paying second job in disguise. I got tired of the hype, so I spent the last 30 days testing the 5 most recommended passive income streams on the internet. I put my own time and real capital on the line to see what actually pays and what is just a waste of your life. In this video, I'm showing you the raw spreadsheets. The exact profit versus the actual hours worked. No fluff, no mindset talk, just the math. By the end, you'll know exactly which streams are truly passive and which ones are just traps designed to sell you a $997 course. Let's look at the results. You've seen the thumbnails. The guy in the rented Lamborghini telling you that you can quit your job in 30 days with one simple trick. It sounds perfect, right? Wake up, check your phone, and see money hitting your account while you sleep. That's the dream we're all sold. But here is the part they don't mention in the 60-second TikTok. Passive income has become a marketing buzzword for unpaid internship. You start a print-on-demand store. You spend 10 hours a day designing shirts that nobody buys. You try affiliate marketing, only to realize you need 1 million followers just to make 10 bucks. Suddenly, your passive stream is actually a second full-time job. Except this one doesn't pay a salary. It pays in stress, burnout, and a dwindling bank account. You aren't building freedom. You're just trading your limited free time for pennies. The truth is, most proven methods are designed to make the guru rich by selling you the course on how to do it. It's time to stop the guessing game. I wanted to know what actually works and what is just a polished lie. Let's get into the data. I spent 30 days testing the most hyped passive streams. No shortcuts, no fake screenshots, just the raw numbers. Here is the reality of the passive dream. Stream number 1, print on demand. The promise, design a shirt once, upload it, and earn royalties forever. I spent 10 hours creating 20 designs. I pushed them to Etsy and Redbubble. The result, 2 sales. Total profit, $14. This isn't passive income. It's a low-wage graphic design job with a lottery ticket payout. Unless you have a massive existing audience, you're just shouting into a void. Stream 2, dividend investing. This is the gold standard for financial freedom. I used professional dividend tracking software to optimize my portfolio and find high-yield plays. But here is the math the gurus hide. To make a meaningful monthly income, you need massive capital. If you're starting from zero, dividends aren't a side hustle. They are a wealth preservation strategy for people who are already rich. Stream 3, high-yield savings accounts. This is the only truly passive stream on this list. I moved my cash into a top-tier HYSA. Zero effort, zero risk. But let's be real, the profit is mostly just inflation protection. It won't buy you a Ferrari, but it stops your money from rotting in a big bank 0.01% account. It's the foundation, not the house. Stream 4, digital products. The passive holy grail. I created a 20-page productivity guide. The creation took a weekend. The marketing, a total nightmare. I spent 20 hours promoting it on social media to make $150. The passive part only happens after you've spent months building an audience. You aren't selling a product, you're selling your authority. That is a full-time job. Finally, Stream 5, the service to agency flip. I took a freelance writing gig on a major marketplace and outsourced the work to another vetted freelancer. I kept a 20% margin. This actually worked. I made $400 in pure profit. But here is the catch. I am now a project manager. I'm not relaxing on a beach. I'm chasing deadlines and managing people. So what's the verdict? Most passive income is actually just deferred effort. You either put in the work up front for years, or you put in the money up front. There is no magic but. So the final tally. Most of these passive streams are just low-paying second jobs. The freelance platforms, high effort, zero scale. But two things actually worked. First, dividend investing. It's slow, but it's real. I use this dividend tracking software, linked below, to automate the math and stop the headaches. Second, the only truly passive win, a high-yield savings account. If your money is sitting in a big bank earning 0.01%, you're losing. Use the HYSA link in the description to actually get paid for doing nothing. The truth is, financial freedom isn't a magic button. It's a system. If you're tired of the guru lies and want realistic wealth strategies that actually scale, hit that subscribe button. Check the links below to start building your real portfolio today.